This 2026 Forest River Cardinal 35FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Conroe, Texas, 77301 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Conroe. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features a MALIBU interior, sleeps 6, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.